Yogi Berry, bright and sunny day, what is there to play? Where's that jar of honey? Yogi Bear, it was sitting there. Have you seen where it might have been? Sure, it cost a lot of money. Not accusing you of nothing, but you're acting funny. You are kinda lucky that I'm so forgiving. You just tell me the truth and we both can move on and pick up where we left off. Yogi Bear said, no, it wasn't me. I don't want your honey, I'm on a diet, man. We both know that I'm already on the verge of diabetes, and I don't want no trouble, no trouble. Google wishes and inside of the basket. Yogi, you don't know who you are messing with. I promise you, you're only here in a casket. I already found the empty jar sitting right there where your hat sat. I'm trying to give you a chance to tell me the truth, and it made it just that. You fat lord, you ham beast, you land whale, chunky monkey, boo boo bull, that 40 potty, I did that, can't eat it, so I know he does that, oh, he does that, oh, shot in the head, oh, shot in the head, oh, he does that, oh, he does that, oh, shot in the head, oh, shot in the head. Yogi Bear did cause some money went missing inside of the kitchen. There's quite a predicament. Boo just listened and pulled back the trigger. Then Ranger Red walked in and witnessed the chillin'. Then Ranger Red, well, it was scared, so he's grinning and boo-boo that you and he closed all the distance. And Yoda took a bit, I swear that I'm innocent. When with cuckoo, we couldn't have witnesses. Who said Ranger Red, this isn't personal? Matter of fact, he had no plan to hurt nobody. Walked in an unfortunate time. Sorry Ranger Red, but you gotta die. Who said Ranger Red, this isn't personal? Matter of fact, he had no plan to hurt nobody. Walked in an unfortunate time. Sorry Ranger Red, but you gotta die. Ranger Red is dead, Ranger Red is dead. Oh, shine in the head, oh, shine in the head. Ranger Red is dead, Ranger Red is dead. Oh, shine in the head, oh, shine in the head. And every death was going fly by when he was hit by the gunfire. Predator probably was like, why? I was just minding my B.I., my business. Why didn't he have to go hit me? I was just facing some chickens down by the river. Woo, you tripping? I don't like honey, it make my bills, yeah. Stop me, this isn't about the honey, man. You're just providing the first time. Never thought I would ever be in this predicament. I was just thinking that I could go out and enjoy a little picnic. Why don't you pick up and think of my friend? This is fun and that is the reason for all this. Got me, I love you, but I am too deep in this. Never should have touched me on my therapist. My anger vicious created it. Yes, it's pretty soon. I know that all of my friends will be called out. This alter ego and he's holding a gun. I hate to say it, he's already won. Besides, no witnesses, he's having fun. Besides, the damage is already done. Said no witnesses, not even he doesn't stand, he doesn't stand. Oh, shot in the head, oh, shot in the head. He doesn't stand, he doesn't stand. Oh, shot in the head, oh, shot in the head. Yogi Berry said, Yogi Berry said. Oh, shot in the head, oh, shot in the head. Yogi Berry said, Yogi Berry said. Oh, shot in the head, oh, shot in the head.